Hi guys, it's Brianna with MEB Adventures, and we're doing a little home vlog tonight. Come along, we are gonna make some dinner. It is gonna be turkey and provolone hot slider sandwiches tonight with some bone broth gravy. It's really healthy, but still fills you up, and it's gonna be made with some Carb Smart stuff. So please come along, enjoy this, and follow me on this adventure. All right, everybody, so like I said, we are going to do some Carb Smart turkey and provolone hot sliders today. So it's a really pretty inexpensive meal. I did get the Aunt Millie's Live Carb Smart Hawaiian dinner rolls. This was $5.99. This was, I think, close to the most important or most expensive part, but these were $5.99. We got it all at Myers. And what I like about it is that with the net carbs only being 3, it's really nice with it. So we've got these, and I've used these before. I really do like them. And we got a pound, just a little over a pound of shaved turkey. It was $10.13. I get this from the deli, and I get it from shaved because that way you don't have to cut through so much when you go to cut it all. I got 6 slices of provolone cheese. This was $2.88. And then I got 3 packets of it because I wanted to use the bone broth gravy. It's got definitely some more flavor than just your regular jar. These were $1.79, I believe, a piece. So, and like I said, I got 3 of these. So you'll need your 9x13. This is my water for my gravy. This is going to be where I soak my meat after I've got that gravy heated up. So let us go ahead and get started. For the sake of the magic of television and YouTube, there's my rolls. I have already, actually, I'm gonna butter the bottom of this pan, but I'll do that in a second. Take some butter, and I'm gonna butter the bottom of this pan and the sides. And these did not come sliced, but I went ahead and already sliced them. So I just cut them right in the middle there. And then we are going to set this to the side. All right, now I've got the Kinder's bone broth gravy. Like I said, I got 3 packets of it. It's gonna be 1 cup cold water for all of those. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in.
So 3 cups total, right?
Yep, 3 cups total water here, cold water. And again, I like the bone broth gravy. It definitely has some more flavor to it. It has better health factors. And it's not that expensive. It's $1.79 a packet. The same with a lot of other seasonings. I just, again, got that in the gravy aisle. Alrighty, so fast forward now. We've heated up our gravy, and we are going to, I'm just going to it this way. We've got our turkey here. And like I said, I got it shredded. So we're going to put this bowl in front of us. We're going to take out our turkey. Again, this is just a shade more than a pound. Just because she accidentally put some extra in it, but that doesn't bother us. And that turkey was $10.13. So as you can see, it's real shredded. Okay, and I got some tongs here to shred that up. Again, came shaved and shredded. I'm just separating it a little bit. Okay, now I want this to all sit in there because I don't want it to be all on top. What about a cup? So I'll pour a little bit more. There we go. Because 1 cup's going to go on top of it. I just want to season this a little bit. So this is Kingsford garlic and herb all-purpose rustic tungsten. Just gonna throw a little bit of that in there. This is just oven roasted turkey. You can do honey or anything if you want. We're just using honey bread, so we did Hawaiian dinner rolls, so we did not want to then do that. So we just got some real life garlic here. Throw that in. Okay. All right, and that is just gonna go on yonder and sit for a minute. So we're gonna put that over here. Alrighty, so the turkey over here is sitting. If you hear me accidentally say ham, that's because when I originally made this the first time, it was ham. You can also do ham. It's really good. I would just use, obviously, a different gravy or whatnot.
Or roast beef.
Or roast beef. I've done it with roast beef too. So you could really do this in different ways. I'm going to put a thin layer of butter on the Hawaiian rolls. Just the bottoms. And I'll show you why in just a second. This is a family favorite. And usually everybody eats like 1 to 2 sliders. Like, it's filling. We're gonna have a vegetable with it too. We're gonna do some green beans. So we will have that. I think it's green beans, but yeah, everybody usually just has 1 to 2 sliders. Okay, got it coated. Now we are going to take our turkey. Actually, no, we're gonna do cheese first. That way it doesn't sit. It's not sealing something. I don't know. Do you like it better if the turkey or the cheese is on top or on bottom?
I'm good either one.
So I got 6 slices of provolone here. Again, the 6 slices of provolone was $2.88. It's the Dean and Watson. I bought all this stuff at Myers, so we will fill our pan here of our cheese. Okay. Alrighty. There we go. So we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna take our turkey mix. Shredded turkey mix. And we are going to more or less whatever you guys want to use, obviously. My eyeballs were probably bigger in my stomach when I ordered a pound, but that's fine. It can go over the sides, it can go everywhere. Somebody's gonna go, that looks like a turkey Manhattan. Yep, it does, but with cheese. You can get it thicker sliced if you want. I just think it's easier to cut when you do it this way. So all it is just all about cutting. Alrighty, so we've got that leveled out there. We're gonna take, now yes, you could put the cheese on top if you wanted to put the cheese on top. Totally up to you. Gonna put our rolls on. And then we are gonna take a butter brush. And that's why we didn't put butter on the underside. And this is actual, like, real butter. You can leave this out if you really want. I just want, it's Hawaiian rolls, so why not? And it'll help it in the oven, so. This is like a tablespoon of butter, I think. Okay. You can pre-cut those if you want, like cut them now. I don't, but that's okay. So I'm just taking my minced up fresh garlic. This comes in a giant jar. Didn't pre-do this. Don't buy cloves. I don't do any of that. I'm busy. I can't. So, there's that. Then I just take some more rustic. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna stick it in the oven. Obviously everything in here is cooked, so we just want to get it hot. Nothing in here is raw. So I'm gonna still put it in the oven at 300 degrees, and it's gonna take, I say 10 to 15 minutes, but I will give you an actual report back once I pull it out of the oven. Oh wait, I forgot. I absolutely forgot. This extra stuff that you guys saw me have, you can choose. You can either pour it in now, or you can pour it in on the top after it comes out of the oven. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to actually pour it in over it after it comes out of the oven, or I'll put it inside the little dishes for everybody to dip. So that's what that extra gravy there's for. So let's get this into the oven. Okay, so side dish. We got some frozen green beans. These came out from the garden. And then I've got our water here. This has some ham base in it, just because I don't have any bacon grease right now. And onion powder. Because Michael does not like onion pieces. Otherwise, I just would have used chopped onion. But Michael has never liked onion pieces. So we're going to get this. We're going to put a lid on it. We're going to let it sit, simmer for a little bit. And then we will add this to our dinner too. Alrighty guys, so this actually went into the oven there for 14 minutes. Then I set it on warm while everything else was cooking. So again, this has got keto Hawaiian rolls. Those were $5.99. Shaved turkey, it was 1.1 pounds, and that was $10.13. There was 6 slices of provolone cheese. That was $2.88. And then the Kinder's bone broth gravy was $5.37. So this part of the meal was $27.37. None of that was on sale. All bought at Meijer just a little bit ago, a couple hours ago. And then other ingredients, it was $24.37. Sorry, so just under $25, $24.37. Other ingredients we used was some Kingford's garlic and herb seasoning. I used the regular butter, just shelf-stable butter, and then I used the minced garlic as well. So we are going to, and then I heated up the rest of the gravy for people to dip into. I don't know that it went all the way through. And this is why I use shaved. Okay. And then there's our turkey sliders with melted provolone. And you can hear nice hard crust on all of those, so that makes it really nice too. And then if you wanted to, you take a little more butter if you really wanted to. Brush it back on the top, but you don't have to do that. So again, this is our oven roasted turkey sliders with provolone cheese and the bone broth gravy. This is made with keto Hawaiian rolls. So this is what we're having for dinner. And then I'll have the green beans you see. We'll post a picture of the final plate or pop back on. And let me put that together and I'll show you guys. All right, now we're going to have the official taste tester do her official taste testing.
Green beans are good. Let's try this. Bet this will be the best part. Gravy. Mmm. So good. It's so good. In there.
And then the last thing she had was just some, it's the rice-a-roni or pasta-roni little butter and herb noodles.
Whoa, they're hot.
And we just added some extra of the same seasoning we used on the sandwiches in the noodles.
Oopsies. It's okay. It's really good. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you on our next adventure.